Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint convertible. Just a little baby doll, guys. Killer car. It's got 5,600 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Love the color combination. It is a factory red-on-red car. Now, this is actually a GM color on it. It's called Wildfire Red. So for you guys who don't like the 60s reds because they're a little orange, this car is red. It's a Wildfire Red is what it's called, but it was a factory Rangoon red car. Again, 5,600 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Runs and drives excellent. I believe we took it on trade from the gentleman. I think he said he told my son he never had put the top down. So I think this is the first time the top's ever been down on the car. Great car. Drove out good. Good, solid, straight body. Slick paint. Just a nice car. A couple little stone pecks I've seen, but not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car. Like I say, this looks like the original trim in the grill there. Looks like they replaced the bumpers. Color just jumps off the car. Beautiful color. Dual chrome mirrors. Glass is nice. Love the red on red. I think this is the first time the boot's ever been on it. Well, it has to be. They never put the top down. Gorgeous color. I love these little Falcons, man. I think they're great cars. I love the looks of them. You don't see a lot of them. That tail panel trim is nice. So a little stone peck there. Nice and straight down the sides. Car's just as nice underneath as it is on the top. Hankook 215 rubber all the way around it. It does have new 14-inch Magnum 500s on it. I put those on it. I also had Muffler Man over at down the road here. It had just a single pipe that was just, man, it just made no noise. So he got in there and added a second pipe. It's not a true dual, but it's going to give you the effect of it. It sounds good. That is a good looking car right there, man. Color just pops. Nice trim and stainless on it. Manual steering, manual drum brakes. Really just how it would have came. It is a factory 260 car, which is why they've got the air cleaner on there. This is actually a 68 Mustang 302 engine in it. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Pretty much bone stock underneath the hood here with the valve covers, the FOMO washer bag in it. Your VIN is on your apron like it's supposed to be. Really detailed up nice. C4 automatic trans. I think that's a little bug. Yeah, that's a little bug that's coming off, guys. I did take some pictures with the top up. I'll make sure those get posted. Top went up and down real nice. It is a power top, dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, you can pick at that 8-pillar chrome a little bit. Door handles look new. Door rubbers look new. There's your door tag. Door seams are nice and clean. This is all new. Vinyl interior, red vinyl interior, that is a factory color combo. Bench seat, stock steering wheel, factory dash. It's showing 15,681, but he said there's 5,600 miles on this car. AM radio with an FM converter. I couldn't get that to work, guys. That's the only thing I couldn't get to come on. The blower motor worked. Again, C4 automatic trans. It is a factory rear axle with a 325 gear. Jack with spare is in the trunk here. Again, you can see the seams are, I mean, everywhere you look, this is just a nice car. This is something that he has converted. He's got the, he's changed the fuel neck in here, so you fuel it inside. Anybody who knows anything about Falcons, you know the way this factory setup was. The gas, which is why they put all this rubber here, just it splashes over when you're filling it up and it runs out the back. So he's converted it. Actually, that's the second car I've actually had like that because people get so frustrated with it. Owner's manual. There are some photos from the restoration. Again, you can see the car is just new. So you do have to open the trunk to fill it. And again, it is a pain in the butt, these cars, when you go to fill them. For some reason, the modern gas nozzles, they just splash back. It's always constantly making a mess, and you're making a mess on the ground and all over the car. Very nice underneath, as you'll see in the photos. Love the taillights on these cars. Door seams are nice and clean. Good car. Really good car. If you're checking out our stuff, guys, let's make sure we're on southernmotors.com. A lot of scams going on. Not a week goes by right now that I don't get some old pictures or something that are, and somebody's got a car priced at about a third of what it's worth, and they're using our old pictures. So make sure if you're viewing something, check it out on southernmotors.com. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call. It's 248-620-3355. Car just runs sweet as can be. Hit the road good. Opens and closes nice. Just a real fan of these cars, man. I love this body style. Fuel gauge works. Looks like the tip gauge is at, I think it's working. Speedo definitely works. Power top works really nice. So you got a little chambered exhaust sound is what you got out of the back now, even though it's not a true dual. Hot rod sound. Blower motor works. Could not get the radio to work. I am not a fan of radios myself. Horn buttons now. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button next to you. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.